This was the second day. It was raining very hard and nobody was really catching anything. We decided to chill the whole day and waited for the fish to get there. Third day. It was sunny and very windy early in the day. We decided to go to Centennial Park to try our luck there, but nope. My wife and brother ended up fishing for a couple of hours. While they were fishing, I took the kids out to get some food and play at the park.
Be careful. There you go, you got it. Whoa! Here we go again. Oh, it's okay, just get up, you're fine. Whoa! Pee! Wee! 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 Sophie!
We picked up my wife and the crew to go to Kenai Beach and ride the four-wheeler.
Daddy! You wanna go?
It was relaxed.
You wanna go?
Later that day, we went back to where my friends were at. As we got there, they were pulling in and had 157 fish on the boat.
They're finally here.
Last day at Kenai, it was our turn to go on the boat. We ended up with 108 fish. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.